Neha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing and also giving you a demo on some of the products of the brand Mamaearth. So you might have definitely heard about the brand Mamaearth. It has been recently popular all over the world. And I have a few products with me right now and there will also be a demo. So make sure you watch till the end and let's get on into the video. Okay, so firstly I have this Mamaearth Upton face mask. I'm really sorry I ripped it off while opening this. Anyway, this contains saffron, turmeric and apricot oil, and this is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested with bioactives. You can see the packaging. It comes in this kind of box and this costs 499 rupees, 400 grams. I know it's pretty expensive for the amount that we get, but once you use it you'll know. This comes in this kind of container and you'll also get a spatula with the product. So it claims that it will lighten and brighten your skin in only one use. Okay, so I've actually used this quite a lot of times and I have a really positive impression on this product. So I'll be showing you right now how it feels. Okay. And secondly, I have this Mamaearth Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. So this is a face cream with mulberry extract and vitamin C for uneven skin tone. So if you have pigmentation, dark spots and any kind of discolorization in your face, then it claims to help to solve all those issues. This is for 449 rupees, approximately 450, and even this is mineral oil and paraben free with bioactives and suits all skin types. Okay, so this I bought for my mom. She had a kind of pigmentation over the nose area and she tried it for 1 month and I'll let you know the results later. Based on an offer that was going on, I bought those two products and got these two free. This is a Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer. These are all the mini packs, okay? And yeah, the Upton face mask, I've got it, a small one. Okay, this costs 99 rupees and the moisturizer costs 99 rupees as well. Okay, so let's examine the first product, the Mamaearth Upton face mask. Okay, this container, when I open this, sorry. Okay, so when I open this, there is a kind of lid that we have to open, and when you open, of course, you can see that I've used quite a lot already. And this smell is intense, guys. I can smell the saffron turmeric. It's really good. It's actually good. Even my mom loved the smell. It's a very thick consistency. So this mask I'd rather apply with my fingers than this spatula or any face mask brush because it has a very thick consistency and it'll be best suitable if you apply it with your own fingers. Okay, so right now I don't have any makeup on my face and let me show you by applying this. I'm not a professional at applying face masks with my fingers, so please don't judge me. I really like the consistency. I mean, you can get to know that with just the smell, okay? I've tried another kind of Upton face mask from some other brand and if you smell it, it's really mild. Okay, it's so mild that you can literally get to know that all the products are not concentrated enough. But if you smell this, you can get that intensity in the smell and of course, the concentration of all the products is quite high. You might be aware of the fact that Mamaearth plants one tree for every purchase that you make and it has a goal of planting over 1 million trees by 2025. So that's a really good initiative as it is also eco-friendly. So I really love that. I must tell you that there is a slight burning sensation, a very slight burning sensation, and I feel like it's cooling my face and yeah, I really like the smell. While this dries, let me tell you about the other products that I've received from Mamaearth. And let me tell you that this video is not sponsored by Mamaearth. I've spent my own money to buy all of these. My pocket money, of course, my mom pays for most of them. I told you about the oil-free face moisturizer. and this is mainly for acne prone skin. Okay, so you might have observed that I have a lot of acne on my face and it is hereditary, and no matter what I try, it's not going at all. You know, whatever moisturizer I try, it just gets all greasy on my face and it's very heavy for me. This moisturizer that I tried from Mamaearth, it's quite friendly to my skin. It doesn't leave that grease and oiliness on my skin, and I really quite like it. This says non-greasy, prevents pimples and effective hydration. I don't know about it preventing pimples because that never happens to me with any product. And non-greasy, yes, 10 on 10. Effective hydration, yes, fine. It actually moisturizes my skin. You know, I apply it at night in my CTM routine and go to sleep, and in the morning I find my skin really nice. I mean, if I apply any other moisturizer, by the time I wake up, I feel like my face has like 1 liter of oil or something like that. This is actually really good for acne prone skin. I mean, this is highly recommended from me. Okay, 10 on 10. The big one is 100 grams and this is just 25 grams, and for 25 grams it costs 99 rupees as I told you earlier. So I opened this and you can have a look. Okay, this is the tube and oh yes, mask came out. If you feel like, as far as I have observed, if you feel a slightly tingling sensation in your skin whenever you apply a clay mask, then it shows that the mask is really working and it is quite concentrated. Okay, so whenever I apply it, I observe this. If that is not happening, I don't wear that again. Okay, so this one I really liked it. Of course, the smell is amazing. Just go wash my face right now and I'll be back. So now it is completely dry, and let me tell you that whenever you apply a mask, before taking it all off, just try to scrub it gently. By scrubbing it, it also exfoliates your skin, and after that if you wash, then you'll get a more radiant glow. I'll wash my face and come. So wash my face. The thing I really like about this very product is that, you know, it doesn't leave a dry sensation on your skin. Like whenever I apply any other kind of mask, after washing my face off, it just makes my skin look very dry and all flaky. So I'd have to apply like 1 or 2 layers of moisturizer and serums and all. This face mask is really good. It kind of nourishes and feels good. Most of all, it really feels good. Moving on to the next step, I'll be applying the Bye Bye Blemishes face cream. It comes in this kind of tube, pump tube. This is its consistency. Okay, so let me apply this. So I'm applying this for the first time because this was for my mom and she hasn't felt any difference in the pigmentation that she's got on her nose. I'm feeling that it's quickly absorbed by my skin, and there's a little bit of greasiness on my skin right now. I feel it quite heavy, and now I'm going to apply this moisturizer to seal this off. I'm gonna rub it with my fingers and just apply it. So this was all the video about. You can see the difference on my skin. The overall experience was really nice. I really felt good after I took off the Upton face mask. My skin felt really moisturizing and soft and supple, and I really liked it. So comment down below if you want me to do more reviews on any such products, and please leave all of your suggestions below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yes, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.